Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to day 10 in my 25 Days of Christmas series. Today I'm sharing some DIY finial ornaments with you guys. So for my mantle this year, I wanted long hanging greenery with lots of ornaments hanging in it, and the long finial ornaments would be perfect for this. However, they can be a little pricey, and since they aren't that common for using in trees, especially the longer ones, they can be a little bit harder to find than regular ornaments are in the store. So I decided to see what I could do while I was in Dollar Tree. Okay, so you can make these in different sizes. I decided to do a longer one and a shorter one on both sides of the fireplace, and then try a different style in the center. So the main items you'll need are a selection of small and large clear plastic ball ornaments from Dollar Tree or whatever store you have near you that carries them. And if you can't find the clear plastic one, then you can either just look for ball ornaments in the size and color that you want, or select ones that you would be willing to spray paint over. You're also going to need the candelabra chandelier light bulbs. Again, Dollar Tree has a 2-pack for $1. Although if you have any old burned out light bulbs lying around waiting to be recycled, feel free to upcycle them into this project, and I'm pretty sure you won't be disappointed. So I'm starting with the smaller of the two ornaments that Dollar Tree has. I just pull out the hanger part and then apply hot glue around the base of the light bulb and press it into the hole of the ornament, although you could also put the glue around the opening on the ball ornament and then stick the light bulb in and make sure you get it as perfectly centered as you can, and then let the glue dry. And then I attached the small ball ornament to the bottom of the large ball ornament, again using hot glue and continuing to make sure I'm keeping everything looking even and centered from all sides so that our ornament will be sure to hang straight and not look crooked when we hang it up. Once the glue was dry, I used some rose gold spray paint to cover this ornament. I was going for a lot of rose gold tones in my living room, and I also did a larger one like this by hot gluing the bottom of another small ball ornament to the top of this large ball on the finial ornament we just made. Of course, you do have to take out the little hanger part again on this one, and then I took one more large ornament and attached that one as the top. Other options would be making a glitter ball ornament. To include, I sprayed a little adhesive spray on here and sprinkled on the glitter, although I was thinking that actually Mod Podge might work better than the adhesive spray. I just had the adhesive spray here with me now, so that's what I'm using. But if you have Mod Podge, I think that would probably work a little bit better, and I know Dollar Tree does carry small packs of that as well. So for this one now, I decided to use the hot glue and attach the light bulb here. And then rather than rose gold, I just did this one with a regular metallic gold spray paint, just for a little bit of variety. And then to complete this one, I simply used an ornament left over from a pack that I used last year that I had gotten on Amazon, and I hot glued that one in place on top of the glitter one in place here as the top, and this ornament I'm using in the center of my mantle garland. I had so much fun with this idea, and it gave me the perfect large hanging rose gold finial ornaments for my hanging garland that I really wanted to do for this year, and these only cost a couple dollars each to make. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I hope you'll consider subscribing if you're new here, and don't forget to click the bell so you will be notified whenever I post a video. I'll be sharing my whole mantle with you guys soon so you can see how everything came together. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next one. Bye!